everyone. Now, we are going to learn about school things and items that you use when you go to school, okay? So, let's start with our So what I'm going to do is we have let's count. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 items. Now, what I'm going to do is I will describe an item and I'll give you a little bit time, few seconds, a minute or two, for you to guess which one am I talking about. Okay, so make sure you listen to me and also repeat the sentences with me. Okay, so let's start. I have a blue pencil case. I have a brown pencil. Okay, so blue pencil case and a brown pencil. It'll be this blue pencil case, that's right. Pencil case and a brown pencil. Okay, good. Now, those are finished. Okay, now we're going for the next two items. This time I'm going to ask you for the piece of paper. Can you please give me a piece of paper? And I have a book. Okay. Can you please give me a piece of paper? I have a book. That's right. This would be the book. And this is a piece of paper. Very good. Next ones are I have a green backpack and I threw a piece of paper into a gray trash bin. Gray trash bin. I throw trash into a trash bin. Okay, I keep my books in my backpack and I clean my trash bin. Very good. Okay, this will be the green backpack. And this would be the trash bin. Okay, good. Next ones are I cut paper with my scissors. I sharpen my brown pencil with my sharpener. I cut piece of paper and I sharp my pencil with my sharpener. Okay, good. So this is our sharpener, the pink sharpener, and this is the scissors that we use to cut the paper. Okay, good. Now, the next two are I use my calculator and I have I have a yellow glue. I use my calculator and I have a yellow glue. That's right. This is the calculator and this is the yellow glue. Very good. Okay. I erase with my eraser and I measure with my ruler. I erase with my eraser and I measure with my ruler. That's right. We use the ruler to measure or draw a straight line. And if it's not straight, we would use an eraser. Very good. All right. So the last two are obviously I write in my notebook and I use my pen to write. Very good. So what's the difference between a pen and a pencil is that whatever you write with your pencil, you can use your eraser to erase it. If you use your pen and you want to erase it, you cannot erase it because you cannot erase the ink that is coming from the pen. Okay? So eraser is only used for the pencils. All right, so this is the green notebook. I have a green notebook. I have a pen. Okay, very good. Now, please get your family and friends book, number 3. Okay, your class book, and open page number 22. So here we are going to learn about grammar, reading, and song. Okay, so we have a song to sing. Then we have to learn how to use a word please. Okay, how to be more polite. Okay, so let's read out some of the phrases that we have here. The first one would be open the window. Help me with my homework. Turn on the TV. Turn off the CD player. Close the door. Put on your coat. Okay, very good. Now, make sure you read those sentences with me. Let's go one more time. Open the window. Help me with my homework. Turn on the TV. Turn off the CD player. Close the door. Put on your coat. Okay, so what do we have to do here is, what's picture number 2? We have 6 pictures here, right? And the example is, what's the picture number 2? So let's look at the picture number 2 right here. You can see the woman is cooking and you can see there are windows. There's a window that is closed, right? So there is a question. Can you open the window, please? So you are being asked to open a window with politeness, please, okay? So if you want to ask something and you have to be polite, you would want to say please at the end. Teacher, may I go to toilet? Please. Teacher, can you help me? Please. Okay, there you go. Now we are finished with picture number 2. We have to open the window there. Can you open the window, please? Now picture number 6. Let's look at the picture number 6. So in the picture number 6, you have two students, I presume, maybe brothers. Okay, so one of them, as you can see, is doing something, most likely his homework. And another person, which as I already said might be his brother, is standing there and look at his brother. So what is happening there? What do you think this brother might be asking his brother? The question would be, can you help me with my homework, please? Okay, so to be nice and polite, you would want to ask please. Okay, so what do we have to do in overall with the word please? When you want to ask someone for something, you ask them the question. Then if you have to write it down, you put a comma and then the word please and then a question mark. All right? So let's read it out again. Can you help me with my homework, comma, please, question mark. Okay, so picture number 6, we are finished. And you can cross out with your pencil, or just if you don't need to, you don't have to cross it out. We already finished with open the window, help me with my homework. So we finished with those sentences. Now let's look at the picture number 1. What can you see in this picture? You can see a big black TV and you can see a girl standing there. So what do you think she might ask? Would she ask turn off the CD player, please? No, because we don't see a CD player there. Maybe close the door. Well, maybe not because there's no door right there. So maybe turn on the TV, please? That's right. So the question first, sorry, picture number 1, the question would be turn on the TV, turn on the TV, comma, please. So what do you have to do is get your notebook and make sure you write down the sentence, right? Picture number 1, the sentence would be turn on the TV, comma, please. Okay. Okay, it'll be hard for me to write the word, but I'll give you one example. I'll do my best. Please. Okay. There you go. And then a question mark. Okay, turn on the TV, please. So we finished with picture number 1 as well. So write the number of the picture, number 1, right? So you write number 1, and then you would want to write the sentence. Turn on the TV, comma, please, question mark, okay? So make sure when you write down the question, please make sure to write the first letter uppercase T, okay? The uppercase T, the big T, okay? Because there is a small t already there. So you need to write down the big T when you start the question or sentence or any other phrases. Okay, so the next picture is number 3. What can we see here? We see a door and it's open. And you can see the wind and the snow, everything coming out of the outside. Okay, so it's windy out there. And he just opened the door. So you would want to ask him, close the door, comma, please. Close the door, please. Okay. So we finished with picture number 3. Picture number 4. You can see a mother standing there with what is this? A jacket? Or what is it might be? It might be a coat. That's right. And the only sentence we have here is, we have 2 left, which is CD player and coat. So that means put on your coat. Please. Put on your coat, please. Okay, good. So picture number 4 is finished. And the last one is, of course, is the CD player. How do we know that? Because the rest we already finished. We look at the picture and there is a CD player. So turn off the CD player, please. Turn off the CD player, please. Okay. Very good. Now, exercise number 2. We were finished with number 1. Okay. Exercise number 2. Close your book and write 3 questions. Okay. So, can you open the window, please? That will be an example, exactly what we just did. Now, what you need to do is maybe to write another questions, okay? Because you already wrote down all the 6 ones. Try to write down your own questions. So let's say if you have a brother or a sister who is playing around uh, and they're very loud. Okay, so for example, let's say they're very loud and you would want to ask them, can you be quiet, please? Can you be quiet, please? That'll be an example, okay? So, what would be the next example? How about uh, if you went to a 7-Eleven or Tesco or Big C, some big mall, right? And you're carrying a heavy bags, right? So what do you want to do is, if you have a friend with you, you would want to ask your friend, can you help me to carry the bags, please? Okay, so make up 3 questions of your own and write them down. Okay, so now let's go with the number 3. We have a song here. So sing and do. Well, obviously we cannot go outside because it's you can see in the picture that we have to do it in outside, but try to do it in your room and then use the CD and listen to the song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the sentences. You have to repeat after me and then you will listen to the song and you will, what will you do? You will sing it. Okay, so right now we'll just read the sentences and the questions, then listen to the CD and sing with the whoever is singing on the CD. Okay, so let's start. The title is It's Rainy Today. It's rainy today. Can we watch a DVD? It's rainy today. Can we play our new CD? It's rainy today. Can we watch TV? Can you watch a show with me? It's a rainy day. It's sunny day. Can we play out in the sun? It's sunny today. We can have a lot of fun. Can we run and can we play? Can you play with me all day? It's a sunny day. Okay, so just a little note. Because it's your friend, you obviously don't have to uh, ask them, can we run and can we play? Right? Because it's your friend and you're just asking them if they want to join. But if you want to ask your teacher on your break, can we run and can we play, please? That's how you would have to ask the teacher, okay? You have to be polite and ask their permission. Okay, that'll be it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.